Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Cancer moon sign, Cancer ascendant people. I'm gonna tell you all how your month of August 2021 would be. At the starting of the month, in your ascendant or over your moon sign, I mean your first house, there will be Sun and Mercury. In your second house, there will be a Mars Venus conjunction. In your fifth house, there will be Ketu. In your seventh house, in its own sign, there will be Saturn forming a Sasha yoke. In your eighth house, there will be Jupiter. And Saturn and Jupiter are retrograde at this particular moment. In your 10th house, there will be Moon in the Aries sign. And in your 11th house, there will be Rahu. So, this is the planetary position you will be witnessing at the starting of August 2021. Well, Cancer moon sign, Cancer ascendant people, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that when you all enter the month of August 2021, keep in mind that you have to avoid certain people in your life. These certain people which I am talking about, they are negative people, they are toxic people, they are debilitating people. They are not empowering you, they are not nourishing you, they are talking negative with you. So you need to eradicate these people from your life. They have built a job around your pain. I mean, they are more happy that if you are in pain, if you are in problems, if you are in trouble, and hence they have an importance for themselves in your life. As these people know that you are dependent on them, you will not be able to function without them. Hence, they are taking advantage of this situation. I mean, the dire situation you are in, but it is not giving you any sort of profits in your life. I mean, these negative people are not giving you any sort of peace or calmness in your life. They are not giving you any sort of profits in your life. In fact, they are dragging down your life by talking negative with you. These people fear that if you are not in problem, they might lose their importance. Hence, they don't want you to progress in life. They don't want you to succeed in life. And hence, they are speaking negative to you. They are talking about negative things rather than positive things. These people will tell you that you can't do it, that you mustn't do it, that it is very difficult for you. These people will tell you that the things you want to do are not meant for you. You don't have the talents and abilities to do these things, and hence they will discourage you. So, I'd request you all to remove these discouraging people, these discouraging members of the discouraging club from your life. And you need to start planning. You need to start planning your life in the month of August 2021. You need to listen to your heart at this particular moment. Do what your heart tells you to do, because where your heart is, there your treasure is also. So if you want that priceless treasure in your life, that invaluable treasure in your life, then you need to avoid these people which I'm talking about. These people don't want you to succeed in life. They don't want your prosperity. They don't want your happiness. So you need to avoid these kind of people in your life in the month of August 2021. You need to eradicate these people from your life. I mean, you need to just avoid, ignore, and stop talking to such people who are discouraging you at this particular moment. And if you do so, what I am telling you to, then you will see the difference in your life. You will see that the ideas and plans which you will work on will give you profits, will give you happiness, will give you success, which you have been looking forward to. And one more thing I want to tell you all, that in the month of August 2021, please do not waste your time. I mean, please do not waste your time behind these negative, these toxic, these debilitating people who are trying to pull you down in your life. You don't need to get into any sort of argument with them, in any sort of debate with them. Just keep quiet and just move away from their life at this particular moment. Well, this is what I wanted to tell you all for August 2021. Well, now let me start predicting about the Cancer moon sign, Cancer ascendant people. Let me start with people who are doing a job or are finding a job for themselves. Well, for people who are trying to find a job for themselves, this month is not gonna be a very good month for y'all. I don't see any chance of you getting a job in the month of August 2021. Still, I'd request you all to continue working hard and try to find a job for yourself as soon as possible. Though luck may not be in your favor at this moment, but sooner rather than later, you will find a job. Maybe not now, but in the subsequent months. Well, for people who are doing a job, let me tell you all that this month is gonna be a very stressful month for you. You will be overloaded with work from your bosses and superiors at this particular moment. You would be thinking that your bosses and superiors are behaving unreasonable with you, and they might burden you with that extra work at this particular moment. Well, there is no need for you to feel a sense of indignation at this moment. Don't feel that you are being treated unfairly by your bosses and superiors at this particular moment. On the contrary, I'd suggest you all to keep on working hard and doing the things they are wanting you to do. Because this work, this hard work which you will be doing during the month of August 2021 will form a basis for your future promotions, your future enhancement in your career. In fact, when you would be doing this hard work, you would be learning some new skills for yourself, which would be beneficial for your future as well. Well, for business people, this month is gonna be a fantastic month for y'all. Though business may remain slow for y'all, but you will earn sufficient money during the month of August 2021. You'd be very happy with your business at this particular moment. You wouldn't be doing business in quantity, but you would be doing quality business. I mean, you will be working less and earning more. So you would feel completely satisfied with your business at this point in time. Your business will increase slowly and steadily during the month of August 2021. I don't expect a windfall for you in your business at this particular moment, but generally speaking, the business will be good for you. Well, on the health front, let me tell you all that this month is gonna be a fantastic month for y'all. All your past illnesses, all your past diseases are gonna come to an end during the month of August 2021. All your past problems with your health are gonna end in the month of August 2021. You would find a medicine which will cure you at this particular moment, and your previous diseases, your earlier diseases will not come back into your life to haunt you in the future. So talking about your health, it is gonna be a good time for y'all. In fact, those people who are facing complications from their chronic disease, those complications are also gonna come to an end at this particular moment, and you are gonna see great health for yourself. However, the parts of the body, the organs of the body which you need to take care is your spine, your bones, your liver, and your digestive system. If you face any sort of problems regarding these parts, these organs of the body, then I'd suggest you all to give special attention to it. Well, for people who are in a romantic relationship, let me tell you all that this month is gonna be a great month for y'all. Even those people who are trying to find a love partner for themselves, they are gonna find a love partner this month. I mean, in the month of August 2021. And people who are in love, they are gonna enjoy a lot in the month of August 2021. Your relationship with your love partner and vice versa are gonna get stronger and deeper during this time. You and your love partner are gonna go out of your way to show your love for each other during the month of August 2021. Things are gonna get better for y'all during the month of August 2021. The only source of problem I see for y'all is your friends, your near or dear ones, or your loved ones who might try to spoil your relationship. So be careful of them. Well, for students, this month is gonna be a superb month for y'all. Y'all are gonna give full attention to your studies during the month of August 2021. You are gonna work very hard behind your studies and you are gonna master one of those subjects which you always wanted to. You'll have your entire focus and attention on your studies during the month of August 2021. And the learning which you will be doing during the month of August 2021 will benefit you in your studies as well as in your future life. So my request to y'all would be, keep on working hard on your studies and don't get distracted by the opposite sex. I mean, please do not indulge yourselves with the opposite sex. In other words, try and avoid them, try and ignore them, because they would become a very big source of distraction for y'all in your studies. Well, for married people, this month is not gonna be a great month for y'all. You will see that there will be too many problems for y'all in your married life. You and your spouse are gonna have too many arguments and debates during the month of August 2021. Things are gonna go awry at this moment, and you will see that there is too much of tension between y'all at this particular moment. I mean, in the month of August 2021. Your relatives might be helpful for you at this particular moment, and they might help you all to reconcile with your spouse during the month of August 2021. Your relatives, your loved ones, your friends will be very helpful, and they will help you to bridge that difference which you have between you and your spouse at this particular moment. Well, for people who are in the stock market, let me tell you all that this is gonna be a fantabulous month for y'all. Y'all are gonna see profits on your investments which y'all had made in the stock market earlier. You would be seeing a lot of profits for yourself in the stock market. And if you see those profits, my suggestion to y'all would be book some profits in the month of August 2021. Don't make the mistake of not booking profits in the month of August 2021. Take some money off the table in the month of August 2021. If you are looking to invest in the stock market during the month of August 2021, then my suggestion to y'all would be do it in several tranches. Don't do it in one go. For those people who are gambling in the stock market or anywhere else, my suggestion to y'all would be, please do not do so. Well, for people who are in debt, let me tell you all that this month is not gonna be a very good month for y'all. You will find it difficult to pay your installments, your EMIs on time during the month of August 2021. There would be a dearth of money when it comes to you paying for those installments, those EMIs, for the loan which you have taken from your creditors. There is also a strong possibility of your creditors troubling you at this moment. It is quite possible that they might take a legal action against you. I mean, they would start the process of taking a legal action against you. So my suggestion to y'all would be that if you get any money from somewhere, you must pay your installments, your EMIs on time in order for you to avoid that legal problem which I envisage for y'all. Please do not take a fresh loan for yourself during the month of August 2021, because it is likely that you wouldn't be able to pay your installments, your EMIs on time for this fresh loan which you take in the month of August 2021. Well, Cancer moon sign, Cancer ascendant people, here is something else for y'all. I want to tell you all that I make a very special prayer box, a very special amulet for all you Cancer moon sign, Cancer ascendant people. Well, if you have been facing any sort of problems, any sort of difficulties, any sort of worries, any sort of sorrows, any sort of miseries, any sort of predicaments, any sort of ordeals, any sort of hurdles and obstacles in your life, and you think that you have tried very hard to overcome these problems and difficulties without any success, then my suggestion to y'all would be that you can install this prayer box in your house, or you can wear this particular amulet. Well, if you install this prayer box in your house or wear this particular amulet, then these remedies will help you to earn money in your life. It will give you success and prosperity in your life. It will make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility, and calmness in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then this particular prayer box, this particular amulet will help you to rise up once again in your life, and it will make you run towards your destiny. Well, this prayer box, this amulet is a religious remedy. It is a godly remedy. And this prayer box or amulet can be installed or worn by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. I'm talking about that God who has created this universe, who has invented this universe and all the things in it, including us. Well, if there were different gods who had created the universe, who had invented the universe, then the color of the human blood would be different in different human beings. But that is not the case. The color of the human blood is red in all the human beings of this planet Earth. Hence, you will understand that there is only one creator of this universe, one inventor of this universe, and that is the Almighty God. Well, the name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. That doesn't matter. But basically, we are all worshipping. We are all loving that same God, that one God. Hence, I can confidently tell you all that this prayer box or this amulet can be installed or worn by any person of any religion. Well, this pretty much completes my predictions on Cancer moon sign, Cancer ascendant people for the month of August 2021. If you are interested in some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this life once again. And besides that, if you want to earn money in your life, if you want to see success and prosperity in your life, if you want to become a positive person in your life, if you want to experience richness in your life, if you want to experience peace, tranquility, and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great month of August 2021. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.